Today I would like to create this airplane. Yeah, that this airplane is probe inside cartoon 94 template that I purchased from Revolution. This one. Okay. So this I would like to animate use head that I can animate like this. Okay, and similar 3D. So this can help we animate like that. Okay, just simple. So I would like to create new one and use this as reference. Okay, and right click to learn PSD editor. So I click launch. Okay, this one that I create in that I use sprite that in template. So today I would like to use this airplane, another plane that I would like to create this one. Okay, now I would like to click body. So body have also mask also that I like to control V pass and beside this one. Okay, this body that I would like to draw a new one. This first that I would like to hide first, and this one also. Okay, everything I would like to hide, so I create new one. So I use this tool. Okay, and draw sharp like this. Okay, and this one. Okay, and change the color. Click P and change the color to this one. Yeah, similar this color. Or I use another color that I like. Okay, that color. And I would like to draw this one. Click P. Yeah. To draw this. Okay, and then just readjust this to share. Okay, zoom in to check this and click P again. Okay, it look great now. So and this one and this one, so I would like to group one core body. Okay, that body like that. I drag. Okay, the airplane. So this first look like click V and click P again. Look like this. Okay, yeah, a little bit down. Okay, like that. I click this one and this reference. So I would like to drag out this reference to the top of this. Okay, and Okay. So I would like to draw another wing that I would like to put this body down here. Okay, and I'll delete this one. Okay. And this one I would like to duplicate, call mask, mask, and delete this mask. Okay, like that. Wing, so I would like to draw wing and click P. Okay, again, this one I would like to hide first, and this wing and another wing. Okay, this wing first I would like to use as reference also. Okay, and draw. Okay, then and delete the original, and I use the color in this color, but I use darker. Yeah. So this one I would like to flip over, Control J. Okay, delete this one. This calls 1 and this call. Okay, and this, okay, sorry, this down wing. Okay, and this up wing. Okay, just rename like that, and Control T to drag up. Mirror or click. Okay, again click transform. Yeah, sorry. Click transform. Okay, and click vertical or and tap up. Yeah. Okay. So now I would like to use one this and Control T to open fly up, something like that. Okay, now I use one, that one is down and this up. Okay. And this one, so I would like to hide all of this one. Okay, this, click P to draw this. P again to use this color. Okay, and if wing 3 be deleted, then this one I would like to use 2 also. Control J and one up and one down. This one edit and vertical drag down here. Okay, and just Control T, put it up like that. Okay, this one I already draw, so okay, and open the body, open face, body. Okay, and this shape, so I would like to draw, delete this and face one, so I click P that I would like to draw. Okay, and okay, just I think I would like to draw one shape, one rectangle here. Okay, and just change the color from this to darker or lighter. Okay, that color that this can mask. Okay, I would like to open the sample that I would like to create this another one though, so I call this first one 4 maybe. Okay, that I would like to draw this. So here like that. Okay, and the color that I would like to use this one and lighter. Okay, like that. So I can brown this like that. Okay, so I hide this and use here of this airplane. Okay. And for another face that I would like to use, okay, this one door, something like that, that I would like to draw. Okay, and basic. Okay, I would like to draw the circle here. Okay, and just Ctrl J, duplicate it and into there, Ctrl J, in there, Ctrl J, sorry, Ctrl J, and Ctrl J again. A moment and I undo, so Ctrl J again, Ctrl J. That means copy. Okay, and one more. Yeah. This one I would like to click plus, that means change plus. Okay, and I delete this one. If I would like to add another sprite, I could add it. Okay, now I use like that, and I want to check this and this. Click high body. Okay, I would like to check this. This bring up, this down. Okay. Now I would like to click Ctrl S to save first. Okay, now error. Okay, so I don't know what's happened, but I would like to save this airplane PSD in desktop. Okay, save first, click OK, and I close this, and I would like to open cartoon 4 again. Just waiting now, opening. Okay, and I would like to airplane PSD file. I would like get from desktop, drag and drop. Okay, it may be I am not okay. Again, this one I go out and delete this one. I open Photoshop. Okay, and this one. And maybe I forget to click plus mask, mask plus and body plus also. I forget to click it and hide this mask. Okay, now I would like to save again and close. So I would like to drag and drop airplane again. Okay, so now it's working. And I use fast 3D head editor, 3D head creator. So okay, at this point, so I would like to delete. Okay, and apply this one. I think it have right. Okay, and right and left. Okay, we leave only the center. This one. Control S again and close this. Open this cartoon 24 again, and we delete that one. This one. Okay, okay, and bring again. Open again. Okay, add the creator. Okay, now I just masking of this plane here and layer manager. Okay, and click this one. Which one? This masking. No, this one. And click mask. Okay, like that, and this one. Click mask. Okay, like that. Okay. This sprite I could change another sprite that I would like to use. Okay, that one. Okay. So now I would like to up like that. That I bring that down fast. Okay. But I would like to change the sprite to there. Again. Okay, no, cannot use like that. Okay. Again, sprite and have like that. Okay, I would like to play along this one. When click up like that, so airplane west rotate up like this. Okay, and this wing go up and this one go down. So this one front here one or three. Okay, maybe I would like to check this one. Front here 1 3 and 1. Control Z again. Control Z. Just checking. Okay. Yeah. Outline PSD editor. I would like to check this one wing. Front 3 and front 1. Okay. Maybe I forget to delete this one. Front here 2. I delete one. Okay, and Control S to save again. Error. Okay. No worry, just delete and save. Okay, and drag again. When you work with cartoon 24, don't forget to save. So it always error like that. If you change name or change everything or delete some sprite, it will you will lose that file. Okay, so I would like to drag and drop again. Okay, this not yet delete, so I get out. I would like to delete this and open Photoshop. Okay, and drag my airplane. I would like to delete one. Okay, this one will from here. Okay, we would like to drag and down to here and delete this one and click Control Add to cell. Okay, and close that. And go to metaphor and drag again. Okay, and this one just click masking, and this one click masking. Okay, and click up. So this face, this one, I click up like that. Okay, when click up, so I would like to this one here and drag down. Okay, and this one bring down, and this one bring up there. This also. And this one, this wing bring down, and this one bring up. Preview again. Okay, and this point, so it's drag down and this bring down like this, and this go up. Okay, and this one tear down a bit. This one also. This one and this one. Okay, and the body is down the top. Okay, look like 3D like that. That we can use. Okay. So I get out. This one I would like to save first. Click custom and click character. Okay, and click plus. That call yeah, plan 02. Okay. Now when I would like to animate this, I would like to flip and click sorry, click this one and preview. Okay, I can animate like that. Okay, not yet finished, so I would like to correct all of the sprite to the left one like this and bring this down. Okay, and here. Okay, this one I would like to copy from here to here, and this one also copy from here to here, and this one copy from here to here, and this one also here to here, this from here to here, this one from here to here. Okay, testing. Okay, just up and down like this, and I save again to airplane 2. Okay, just playing. Okay, and point there. It is endpoint. Pretty close. When you play, so you will see the airplane look like that. Okay, this motor, so I would like to click start from there too. And this fast, so I would like to control B, delete that one. Control B there, delete that one. I don't want to use there. And would like to use from start from here too. It's look great. Okay, and I would like to get this airplane fly from here to here and use the transform to there. Okay, when flying you can adjust down up according to you that you want to use that. Okay, now I would like to use this faster, faster, slower a little bit. Okay, and I would like to use some cloud that I would like to draw in. Okay, simple cloud that you like to white color. Okay, and and white uh, to another that it's white. Okay, all of this Control G, cloud, cloud. Okay. Um, Control E and Control SL. At the first frame, so we get in. Yeah, you can and flip. This one we can. Yeah. Okay, and bring this guy. So I would like to use this one. change this to this. Sky this one and change this blue. Okay, like that. And Control S cell. To the just vertical flip like that. And lock that sky. Lock. Okay. Okay. This point I would like to turn to there and the first frame to here. And rotate it on. Yes. And the last one. Okay, simple and easy like that. And I would like to use the camera to help this animate look grid look better. Okay, share. Okay, and the first frame. Then play. Okay, like that. This end frame. You can use such as the camera look like fly up and down, something like that. Okay. Okay. So thank you guys. So I would like to provide this for download free, and this also scene that I would like to convert it to scene that you can use. Okay, in cartoon Animator 4. Thank you. See you next tutorial and how to create the fly like that. See you. Bye bye.